Hello there, today I will show you how to get a modded version of Shadow Fight 2 for iOS and Android. So this gives you unlimited resources, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So basically there's a website, guys, called zoomods.com, and they got like all these modded apps and stuff. So just go to this site, and then as you can see there's like all these apps. So I'm just going to go to search and type Shadow Fight 2. And as you can see, we got the Shadow Fight 2 mod right there. So we're just going to press on it and it will start to download. Now, before we can actually install this into our device, there is going to be a final step, which is a verification, guys. So this is just a easy step. We got to download 2 apps to complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this, because some people obviously have never seen any of this before. So as you can see, it says please install 2 free apps. It's going to be around 4 of the apps on the page, and we just need to download 2 of them. Now they're all going to have their own instructions. We got the golf one where we got to run it to level 10, and we got TikTok, you got to run it for 30 seconds. So just press the app you want to do, press tap to install, and it will bring you straight to the app store. You're done. I did the Family Island one. I had to reach level 10. That one isn't there right now. The apps change a lot. So if you see something you don't like, you can do a different app. Pretty easy. But anyway, guys, that's how to get the Shadow Fight 2 hack for iOS and Android. Just make sure you download the apps, complete the verification, and you guys will be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys like this kind of content. I'm just trying to help you out in Shadow Fight 2. So yeah, this is super insane. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out, bro.